Welcome to Exploring Our Earth. Get ready to embark on a virtual journey to the captivating island of São Miguel in the Açores. São Miguel is the largest and most populous island in the Açores archipelago, an autonomous region of Portugal located in the North Atlantic Ocean. Known as the Green Island, São Miguel is celebrated for its stunning natural landscapes, varied plant life, unique volcanic features, and distinctive wildlife. In this video, we'll be your guide to the top destinations to explore and exciting activities to experience on this enchanting island. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos of breathtaking places around the world. Let's dive into the best that this island jewel has to offer. Ponta Delgada is the largest city and the capital of São Miguel. Located on the southern coast of the island, Ponta Delgada is a charming and vibrant city that offers a mix of historical sites, natural beauty, and culture. The city is known for its picturesque harbor, lined with colorful buildings and a promenade that offers stunning ocean views. The historic center of Ponta Delgada features cobbled streets, beautiful squares, and historic architecture that reflects its colonial past. One of the main attractions in Ponta Delgada is the Portas da Cidade, city gates, a set of imposing gates that were once part of the city's defensive walls. Nearby, the Praça Goncalo Velho Cabral is a central square adorned with a statue of the island's discoverer. Be sure to stop by the São Sebastião Church. It features a mix of architectural styles, including Gothic and Manueline elements. Its facade is particularly impressive, adorned with intricate stonework and detailed carvings that reflect the artistic influences of the time. Lovers of history and culture will find several museums in Ponta Delgada, including the Carlos Machado Museum, which houses an eclectic collection of art, natural history, and artifacts from the Açores. For a taste of local culture, the Mercado da Graça is a bustling market where you can sample fresh produce, local cheeses, and traditional crafts. Ponta Delgada is also a great starting point for exploring the natural wonders of São Miguel. The city is surrounded by lush landscapes, including gardens, parks, and viewpoints. Just a short drive away, you'll find attractions like the Lagoa do Cidades, Furnas, and the Terra Nostra Park. The city comes alive with events and festivals throughout the year. Check out the description box for more information. Furnas is often called the Valley of Furnas due to its geothermal features. Visitors can witness hot springs, fumaroles, and bubbling mud pools, giving them a first-hand look at the Earth's geothermal energy. The town is situated on the shores of Furnas Lake, a beautiful and serene body of water surrounded by lush greenery. You can take a peaceful walk around the lake, or even rent a rowboat for a tranquil experience. For panoramic views of the Furnas Valley, hike up to Pico do Ferro, a viewpoint nearby with breathtaking vistas. Don't miss the chance to try a traditional cozido das Furnas, a stew cooked by the Earth's heat in volcanic steam vents. Terra Nostra Park offers a unique contrast with its tranquil botanical garden. Here, you'll find a rich tapestry of lush vegetation, including exotic plants and vibrant flowers. The centerpiece of the park is the Iron Spring, a thermal pool renowned for its warm, iron-rich waters. This pool provides a unique and relaxing experience as you soak in its rejuvenating properties amidst the stunning natural surroundings. The park also offers walking trails, serene ponds, and peaceful picnic spots, making it an oasis of calm in the midst of São Miguel's geothermal wonders. Each destination allows you to explore the island's diverse natural beauty and geological marvels while enjoying contrasting experiences. Boca do Inferno, translating to Mouth of Hell, is a dramatic coastal feature on the island of São Miguel. Located near the town of Mosteiros, this natural wonder is characterized by the relentless pounding of the Atlantic Ocean against towering volcanic cliffs. The result is a mesmerizing spectacle of waves crashing into a sea cave, accompanied by thunderous sounds and misty plumes. A well-maintained viewing platform provides a safe vantage point to witness this awe-inspiring display of nature's power. While Boca do Inferno is particularly impressive during stormy weather when the waves are at their wildest, it's a captivating sight to behold year-round. Lagoa das Sete Cidades, or the Lagoon of the Seven Cities, is one of São Miguel's most iconic natural landmarks. Nestled within a massive volcanic crater, it comprises two stunning lakes, one blue, Lagoa Azul, and one green, Lagoa Verde. Encircled by lush green hills, forests, and charming villages, this location is a photographer's paradise. The lakes are separated by a narrow landmass, creating a striking visual contrast between the blue and green waters. Visitors can hike around the rim of the crater for panoramic views, explore the charming nearby town of Sete Cidades, or rent a kayak to paddle across the serene lakes. Vila Franca do Campo is a charming coastal town that holds a rich historical significance as the island's former capital. Located along the southern coast and surrounded by lush hills, it offers a serene atmosphere that captivates visitors. The town's prominent feature is the Vila Franca Islet, a volcanic crater-turned islet just off its coast. This unique formation houses a tranquil lagoon that is accessible during certain times of the year, making it a paradise for swimming and snorkeling enthusiasts. Walking through the historical center allows travelers to immerse themselves in the town's past, marked by charming streets and local life. The marina offers a relaxing place to stroll while taking in views of the Atlantic Ocean, and Praia Vinha da Areia invites beachgoers to unwind on its distinctive black sand shoreline. For panoramic views of the area, a visit to Ermida de Nossa Senhora da Paz, a historic chapel located on the slopes of a hill overlooking Vila Franca do Campo, is a must. When it comes to culinary experiences, Vila Franca do Campo does not disappoint. Indulge in local assortion dishes at various eateries, savoring the authentic flavors of the region. This town encapsulates the essence of the Açores, a harmonious blend of natural beauty, historical charm, and a warm local ambiance. Gorreana is a historic tea plantation situated in the picturesque landscapes of São Miguel. Established in 1883, it has a rich heritage as the only remaining tea estate in Europe that still operates using traditional methods. The plantation spans acres of verdant terrain, with neatly manicured tea bushes creating a visually stunning panorama. Guided tours allow visitors to delve into the tea-making process, from hand-picking the leaves to witnessing the intricate steps of production. The estate's charming tea factory offers insights into the drying, rolling, and packing procedures, preserving the time-honored craftsmanship. At Gorreana, you can explore the lush tea fields, breathe in the refreshing aroma of freshly harvested tea leaves, and even sample a range of distinct teas. The on-site cafe serves tea-infused delights, allowing you to savor the flavors in a tranquil setting. It's a journey into both the island's history and its thriving agricultural traditions. A visit to Gorreana provides an immersive experience that engages your senses while showcasing São Miguel's unique connection to tea cultivation. Nestled at the heart of São Miguel, Lagoa do Fogo, or Lake of Fire, is a mesmerizing crater lake enveloped by lush greenery and rolling hills. Lagoa do Fogo, formed through the Água de Pau volcanic activity around 15,000 years ago, spanning nearly 2 miles in length and 1.5 miles in width. Travelers can choose between hiking options, a shorter 30-minute trail from Miradouro da Lagoa do Fogo to the lake's bottom and back, or a longer 4-hour round-trip hike from Praia, leading to the opposite lakeside. Its turquoise waters mirror the ever-changing sky, creating an enchanting atmosphere that captivates all who venture here. While swimming is prohibited to protect the lake's sensitive ecosystem, Lagoa do Fogo invites visitors to partake in photography, nature appreciation, and immersing themselves in São Miguel's wild beauty. This remarkable lake is an integral part of the island's natural heritage, offering an unmissable experience for those exploring this enchanting corner of the world. Ribeira dos Caldeirões is a natural park renowned for its lush green landscapes, pristine waterfalls, and tranquil atmosphere. The park's cascading waterfalls, surrounded by vibrant flora, create a picturesque setting perfect for relaxation and photography. Visitors can amble along walking trails, taking in the diverse scenery, and enjoy picnics in designated areas. As our journey through São Miguel comes to an end, we hope you're inspired to explore this remarkable island for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Exploring Our Earth for more adventures around the globe. We want to hear from you. Leave us a comment and let us know some destinations you would like to see next. Until next time, safe travels.